Hey there, let's get started with Touchstone. First of all, go to touchstone.com, and that takes us to this information page where you can learn all about Touchstone. But let's say we've done that, we know as much as we want to know, we're ready to get going. So click on this login link. That takes us to the landing page of the application itself. And you'll always want to come here because you see the latest information, latest updates on the app, release notes, lots of good information. Let's click register because that's our goal here, is to get registered. And there we go. Okay, we'll sign up. Please do read the user agreement and the privacy policy. I'll go check my email for the activation code. Okay, I'll paste that activation code and we'll log in using those credentials. New users need to either create or join an organization. I am a member of an organization that's already in Touchstone called Health IT Jeff. So let's find that. There it is. So I'm going to associate myself with Health IT Jeff. We see here I have to be approved to join that organization. So let's wait for that approval. Okay, my approval has been completed. I'm in the system and I can run tests. But first, best practice is to go see what test systems my organization has associated with Touchstone. So let's go do that. I see here we have the Health IT Jeff server. I'm actually going to test the client, Health IT Jeff client. So let me create that new test system in Touchstone, which is to associate Touchstone with that test system. Okay, so there's the name. Let's get that base endpoint in there. All right, we do JSON only. Is Fire 401. This is going to be viewable and usable by my organization only, and it is a client. And we'll keep those defaults. Okay, our system has been created successfully, and now we are good to go to do the testing that I would like to do. So this is a key onboarding step. Make sure we have the systems that we're going to test with associated with Touchstone. However, I'm not quite ready to test that system yet. I do want to see what Touchstone can do for me. So let me run some basic tests, some basic Fire 401 tests, since that's our target for production. And I'm just going to choose a few of the JSON tests in this group just to give Touchstone a run for its money. So I've selected those, click Test Setup. I'm going to stick with these known good Aegis reference implementations for my test. Again, I want to see what Touchstone can do for me before I'm ready to test against my own system. So let's execute that. We're going to run 5 tests with 35 test scripts, and this will take under 30 seconds to run. Done. So we can drill down here to see details, all the way down to looking at request and response, raw data, and any diagnostics if there are errors or warnings. We see it's 25 seconds in this case to run all those tests, and there you have it. Register, activate to awesome in less than 2 minutes.